Challenge. Don't laugh, don't grin while watching this video. This is part 4, and this challenge eats confidence for breakfast. Yes, the ones who crushed the earlier parts, they became legends. Now it's your turn. Level 1. I dare you. If you laugh now, it's over. Let's see if you can win this or not. Ready? Go.
Whee! 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 Meow!
Tío, frena, frena.
¡Frena qué polla! ¡Voy a frenar!
Beat level 1, great start. You're warming up. Like this video and gear up. Level 2, medium. Most break here. Smiles turn to fails. Can you stay stone cold? Only the serious survive?
When she tries to help.
Messi, immens Messi, encara Messi.
I'll show you how a bitch comes out of sack!
He made...
Beat level 2, impressive. You're dominating. Level 3, impossible. No smiles, no smirks. Only the top 1% survive. Let's see what you're made of.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Beat level 3? Really? Amazing. You're a legend. Super proud of you, legend. You're built different. Subscribe now to join the ZomZone Legends for more mind-blowing challenges. Comment below, did you laugh even once? Or type, I'm on fire. If you win,